Alright, so I wanted to make an updated video on my rear window here that I replaced. I made a video before where I was showing, it was actually my first time ever trying replacing it, and I was just kind of wanting everyone to see, how much of a struggle it was, and my camera just happened to cut out at the spot where I actually got it installed, so it didn't get a lot of likes on that video, so I wanted to make an updated video to show how it actually got in there. So what's important to know is this glass right here isn't set into any part of the frame on the cab. Pretty much what you're doing is you're setting the glass into this rubber gasket, and then the rubber gasket basically gets pulled into the cab. The method I found that worked really well was I used the four corners and pulled them in first and kind of tried to get them in place, and then I went around and did the straight sections after that. So you can see the lip right up there, and like when you're trying to get it in here, it doesn't seem like it wants to fit, but basically what you have to do is you have to pull it through and stretch it like it's a rubber band. And so what you're gonna have is like equal tension all the way around, like a rubber band being pulled in, and that's like almost kind of a sucking the window in, and then that's how you get that watertight seal.